All right, we're going to talk about casting. In particular, we're going to talk about probably the number one reason casts fail, and that is punching your cast. What do I mean by punching your cast? That is, and almost everybody does it except for their practice casting at the beginning of the day. They get excited and they start to cast and release line and get line out, and it starts to feel really good. And then what do? One last cast, and I'm going to really rip it out there. And they punch that cast as hard as they can in the very last stroke. And what that does is it actually kills all the energy in your cast. So we have to think about our general casting method. Our general casting method is to have a smooth acceleration to a stop. A smooth acceleration to a stop. And so what you're doing is altering that smooth acceleration to the stop by really yanking on that rod and punching it into position. And what that does is causes your cast to collapse and lose its energy. So next time you're out, I want you to start to really think about your casting as being smooth acceleration to a stop. And for every time that you cast, it's doing that. You're not altering that last cast. Think about that last cast, and you'll have far more success. We'll see you next time.